Hey everybody, and welcome back to another review. Today we're going to be reviewing the last meal for the Martha and Marley Spoon Meal Kit service. Today we're making barbecue beef meatballs with veggie fries. It's been a minute since I've actually received this one, so the green beans went bad, so I'm just going to replace them with corn on the cob. But that being said, let's get into the nutrition facts. So this has 970 calories, 64 grams of fat, 56 grams of carbs, and 48 grams of protein. Supplemental ingredients: an egg, oil, pepper, salt. And then we have ground beef, green onion, panko breadcrumbs, carrots, cheddar jack cheese shredded, barbecue sauce, and mayonnaise. Oh, another supplemental ingredient is ketchup, but I forgot to get it, so hold on. So right now I preheated the oven to 450 degrees and I have the water boiling for the corn already. So the first step is to prep the ingredients. Finely chop 1 teaspoon of garlic, trim scallions and thinly slice about 1/4 cup. Trim ends from carrots, scrub, halve crosswise, and cut into 1/4 inch thick sticks. And then the green beans. So. Oh, my eyes. Okay, so the water's boiling. I'm gonna wash the corn and throw them in there. Those are gonna chill for about 3 minutes. Okay, next step. In a medium bowl, gently knead to combine ground beef, all of the garlic, half each of the scallions, and half the cheddar, 1/4 cup of the panko, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 lightly beaten large egg. I'm not gonna beat it. Doesn't matter. A few grains of pepper. So now I'm gonna mix all of that together. Then it says make 10 meatballs and transfer to an oven-proof skillet. These are about ready. Okay, so next, season veggies. On a rimmed baking sheet, toss carrots and green beans with 2 teaspoons of oil, salt, and pepper. So. Then we're gonna place the skillet with meatballs on the upper oven rack and baking sheet with veggies on the center oven rack. Roast until veggies are crisp and tender and meatballs are cooked through about 15 minutes. So this one goes in the center. and this one goes on the top. Okay. The corn is finished, so I'm going to take it off the heat, drain it, and let it chill for a minute. This is going to take 15 minutes in the oven, so we'll let that cook, and then I'll be right back. Thank you. Okay, so that's almost done. I'm going to get a bowl so I can move the carrots and cover them. I don't want to cover them in the pan because I'm probably going to burn myself. Then we're going to take out the meatballs. We're going to set this to broil. I'm just going to keep the racks there. And then it says spoon barbecue sauce over meatballs, then sprinkle with half of the remaining cheddar cheese. And then return skillet to upper oven rack and broil until cheese is melted. About 3 minutes. Broilers vary, so just keep an eye on it. Okay, so while that's finishing off, we are going to do the sauce. So that is mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, so this is going to serve like a dipping sauce for the carrots. You're supposed to add a teaspoon of the scallions, but I touched those when my hands had like blood from the meat, so it's cross-contamination. I don't want to mess with that. Okay, set it aside. We'll let it go for a little bit longer. Oh yeah, season that little sauce with salt and pepper. Okay, so that's ready. So once the meatballs are done, I'll plate it and then be back for the final review. So, okay, so we're back. I took a meatball and 1 carrot to taste it by itself and 1 to dip it in the sauce. So let's try it. Okay. This is pretty good. I like it. The meatballs are sweet from the barbecue sauce, really moist, cooked all the way through, which I like. The carrots are also cooked all the way through, but they're crunchy, a little soft on the outside. They've got a really nice sweet and salty flavor from the seasoning. The sauce is okay. Nothing special. It's mayonnaise and ketchup. It does go with the carrots, but if you didn't want to use it, you don't have to. It's not like it's missing. It's pretty good on its own. So overall, I would rate this meal, I'm gonna go with a 9 out of 10. Yeah, I enjoyed this. I would definitely get it again, and I do recommend this meal if you're trying Martha and Marley Spoon. So the rating stands. HelloFresh is still first place, then Blue Apron, then Martha and Marley Spoon, and then Home Chef. That being said, the next meal kit delivery service that I'm going to be trying is Green Chef. They offer keto and paleo friendly meals. So I want to try a little bit of each. I'm going to try 1 keto, 1 paleo, 1 of the regulars, any of the special categories, and we'll see how we do. So, again, as always, thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for more episodes. I plan on reviewing a few more meal kit delivery services. Please remember to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys at the next review. Y'all have a good night. Toodaloo.